Hey everyone, welcome to another Monday Marketing Minute.
This week we're talking all about YouTube SEO and the free tools you can use to improve your channel.
You might already know that we're search engine experts here at Oneupweb, but did you know that we also specialize in YouTube SEO?
Our all-time favorite tool for YouTube SEO is VidIQ. VidIQ is a Chrome extension that lets you see in one glance how your videos and channel are performing.
You can get insights on things like the right tags, proper keywords, and it'll tell you simple things too, like if your title's a little too long.
It comes with a free and paid version, so we recommend trying it out before you buy.
The next tool is something you probably already know and love, Google Trends.
It's a great way to find highly relevant topics for your newest videos. I think of it like keyword research for creating viral content.
Right now, with everyone in some sort of state of flux, there's tons of uncertainty and search trends are changing rapidly. Keeping an eye on these things and creating timely content will make sure that you're one step ahead.
An often overlooked component of YouTube SEO is closed captioning. Videos with custom SRT files get roughly 7% more views than videos without custom captions.
We use Descript for writing our captions. It's super simple to use. You just upload the video, select that you want a transcription written, and it spits out the SRT files for you.
And the last tool we use regularly is an obvious one, YouTube Analytics.
Analytics is a great spot to see what's performing well, what needs work, and where exactly things are working. It also gets specific with audience retention and shows you exactly where viewers stop watching your videos. You can use this tool to find ways to make your future videos much more engaging.
And the dashboard section is great for monitoring how my newest videos are performing in comparison to the rest of my channel.
With these tools, your YouTube channel will be set for YouTube SEO success.
Thanks for checking in, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to catch next week's Monday Marketing Minute.
And let us know in the comments if you see an SEO tool that we didn't mention. We're always looking for the hot new thing. See ya!